Ciao guys, Food here. So in this video, you're gonna see how to stream real time, sort of, your content from the Oculus Go over here with like a mirror display, pretty much. But first, thank you so much for watching. If you're new from the channel, feel free to check out all the other videos in the channel. And if you like what you see and want to keep being updated about VR and tech in general, just click or tap the subscribe button so you don't miss anything. But let's go back in topic and let's see together how to do it. First of all, I don't want to waste your time, so if you're already aware about the streaming situation with the Oculus so that you can do a private streaming, you can skip this video, it's totally fine. I will see you in the next video anyway. If not, let's talk a little bit about it. So Facebook or Oculus doesn't have a method yet where in the daydream you can just stream the content like via like an Android TV or stuff, with Oculus being like based on Android but really a closed software still now. We're not gonna be able to do it yet. They're saying that they're like working on an app to do it from your phone and stuff, but there's already a method and that's super easy because we just have to make a streaming with Facebook. But so what we are gonna need, first of all, let me switch to the computer over here right now. Okay, so what we're gonna need is a Facebook account. Here's my Facebook account. I took out some for privacy for my friends stuff, and that's it. That's what we're gonna need, and of course our Oculus Go. So to start, let's do this. So we put it on, and let me skip a second. So here we are in the menu. So what we have to do is just like we seen in the also in the software view, we just have to go on sharing and click on go live. And that's vital because that's of course how we're gonna stream on our PC or on our TV or on our console and stuff. Just get in the browser or in Facebook application and then watch our stream. I suggest here to do like only me. We can do public, friends, or only me. In this case, only me. It's suggested to do with the microphone off, so you're not gonna have returns. And the nice thing that is a kind of better than a regular streaming, like when we do like the display mirror on the VIVE or on the Oculus, is that here we can have also reaction and comments inside the device. And maybe I'm gonna be able to show you. I'm not very sure about it, but let's click on live stream, and over here in this part we're gonna have a red button that is gonna be the streaming. Let me see if the streaming started. We refresh our page and here we're gonna be live. So we open it. We can do full screen and so, and what we have to, we can also do like reactions inside. Let me see if I can see it. Yes, you see in the bottom there's a gray area with all the reaction and the comments, and that's very nice because maybe you have friends over and they can just write on your comments, and from what I see here you're not really able to see them. And we can also go like full screen or just, oh, this is not the full screen actually. So we can get here in the page and just having people like even telling us what to do while we are inside, or like writing a comment like ciao, and that's pretty much instant. Now let's see if we can play games too from inside, and I can tell you that you can. Let's go on Blade Rush and let's start it together. And as I can see here, there's some latency, of course. It's a lot of latency actually. And here we are in Blade Rush, so we can do career and just go in a race. So let's start. I think you're gonna be able to hear the volume from the computer, and that's useful because we're gonna see now, we're gonna be able to understand what is the latency from it. So here we are. Go. Okay, the Go was mine, so I'm gonna put a clock there to see what is the latency. And we can do our race and having our friends like watching, or also if you have a kid, you don't know what's doing inside, you can just start this. It's gonna be just a red button in the middle, and so you're gonna be able to check everything is going on inside without any problem. And I think that that's pretty nice to have the possibility, because of course in a virtual reality headset, like, you can do pretty much whatever you want. But from my previous test, the latency should be around just at the end, the latency should be around like 10 seconds. That is not really ideal, but yeah, I already finished it and it just finished right now. It's not really ideal. The resolution is around like 360p. I don't know if it's for my connection or is the resolution that is actually sending to the computer. But it's better than nothing. At least we're gonna be able to see what's going on inside, to check for our like if you have a kid or stuff and everything like that. Anyway guys, that was all. I hope that it was useful. If you liked the video, like. If you didn't like the video, dislike. Let me know in the comment below if you have any other solution, and let's hope that Facebook is gonna come soon with the real fix for it, where we're gonna be able really to stream like a real time. But I think that is nice anyway, that we have the possibility to write comments and like cheers even if 10 seconds later. Anyway, subscribe to the channel for more about VR and tech in general. I see you guys in the next video. Ciao!